In today's deep dive, we're spotlighting DJI's newest marvel in robotics and drone innovation, the DJI Neo 2. Set to redefine mid-tier drone expectations in 2025, this highly anticipated device is generating significant buzz in the tech community. With an evolved design, enhanced smart features, and robust performance specs, the DJI Neo 2 is poised to become a standout option, not only for content creators and hobbyists, but also for educational and professional environments where smart robotics are gaining ground. DJI's move into the robotics and smart drone sector with the Neo lineup has always aimed to combine artificial intelligence with practical applications. The original Neo impressed audiences with its responsive controls and user-centric AI tools. Now, the Neo 2 builds on that legacy, promising a more refined flying experience. But is this just an iterative upgrade, or does it truly elevate DJI's drone portfolio? Let's find out. Next Gen. Design. Compact, durable, and ready to travel. One of the key talking points of the DJI Neo 2 is its sleek and foldable structure. Taking inspiration from DJI's Mavic series, the Neo 2 embraces a portable architecture that's both lightweight and durable. Crafted using high-strength composite materials, it's built to survive rugged environments while maintaining ease of transport. This combination of portability and resilience is crucial for creators on the move. Whether you're shooting on a mountain trail, capturing footage by the sea, or documenting urban landscapes, the Neo 2 is designed to be your go-anywhere aerial companion. Pricing strategy. Smart mid-tier positioning. DJI seems to be carving out a strategic niche between their Mini 4 Pro and Air 3 models. Industry insiders speculate a price tag ranging from $1,200 to $1,500. This would make the Neo 2 a perfect fit for drone pilots looking for professional-grade features without diving into the premium pricing of models like the Mavic 3. In this range, the Neo 2 stands a chance to dominate the mid-tier market, offering enough innovation to attract prosumers while remaining accessible to serious hobbyists. Superior connectivity, smarter integration for seamless flying. The DJI Neo 2 is expected to ship with updated connectivity protocols, including Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. These enhancements will enable ultra-fast communication between the drone and its controller, along with smoother app integration. The DJI Fly app will likely remain central, offering seamless real-time streaming capabilities to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Also anticipated are cloud-based firmware updates and enhanced geofencing, which would allow users to manage their flight zones and comply with local airspace regulations in real time. For both casual flyers and commercial users, these features mean greater flexibility and compliance. Performance that pushes boundaries. When it comes to flight capabilities, the DJI Neo 2 is rumored to go above and beyond. Whispers in the tech space suggest a maximum flight speed of up to 60 mph. The inclusion of an upgraded propulsion system ensures better stability in challenging weather, along with responsive maneuverability. Battery life is another area where the Neo 2 shines. A projected 40-minute flight time puts it at the top of its category. Combined with DJI's cutting-edge OcuSync 4.0 transmission system, pilots could enjoy a jaw-dropping control range of up to 15 km. That means ultra-low latency HD video streaming and real-time control over massive distances. All-new remote control. A complete overhaul. Forget smartphones. The Neo 2 is rumored to come with a redesigned remote controller featuring a built-in touchscreen display. This integrated system is aimed at offering a plug-and-play experience that skips the hassle of app pairing on mobile devices. Expect improved ergonomics, programmable control buttons, and longer-lasting battery life. These upgrades collectively aim to provide users with unmatched comfort and precision, especially for extended aerial sessions or commercial shoots. Groundbreaking camera system, clarity meets creativity. A huge highlight is the Neo 2's camera hardware. Leaks indicate a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of snapping 20 megapixel stills and recording 5.4K video at 60 FPS. Expect high dynamic range, sharp contrast, and faithful color reproduction even in tricky lighting conditions. advanced users will also appreciate rumored features like an adjustable aperture and support for 10-bit D-Log color profiles. These additions indicate DJI is targeting not just vloggers and influencers, but professional cinematographers and photographers too. Whether it's a real estate shoot or a cinematic project, the Neo 2 might just be your next powerhouse. Advanced obstacle detection, smarter, safer. Navigation. Safety is non-negotiable, and DJI seems to have prioritized it with the Neo 2. The drone will reportedly include omnidirectional obstacle detection powered by AI-based algorithms. These smart sensors can map surroundings in real time and navigate around obstacles with minimal user input. Complementing this is a suite of intelligent flight modes. We're talking about Next-Gen Active Track 5.0, Master Shots, and Point of Interest 4.0. These features aim to simplify complex shots, letting creators capture cinematic footage with just a few taps. Also rumored is an advanced return-to-home system. It won't just return to your launch point, but dynamically adjust its route to avoid obstacles en route, ensuring a safer flight termination even in densely populated or wooded areas. Use cases. More than just a drone. The DJI Neo 2 isn't just for hobbyists or YouTubers. With its speculated autonomy features and robust AI, the Neo 2 could play a significant role in education, security surveillance, and even smart agriculture. It has the potential to become a key tool for professionals across industries. Educators could use it to teach robotics and aerial imaging, while event planners might rely on it for dynamic crowd shots. Even real estate professionals can harness its camera features for high-end property visuals. The road ahead. Anticipation builds. While much of the DJI Neo 2's promise is based on leaks and industry buzz, the direction is clear. DJI aims to cement its status as not just a drone manufacturer, but a full-fledged robotics innovator. The Neo 2 embodies this ambition, showcasing a blend of intelligent automation, user-focused features, and robust performance metrics. Will the final product meet these lofty expectations? Only time will tell. But if DJI delivers even 80% of what's been speculated, the Neo 2 could well become the benchmark for smart drones in 2025. Final thoughts: the DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drone releases of the year. With a winning combination of powerful flight capabilities, intelligent automation, and a pro-grade camera system, it's positioned to appeal to both everyday enthusiasts and seasoned professionals.